Hi, it's Patty here. Imagine this. You're online on Cambly, headset ready, everything set up, and nothing happens. No calls, no messages. If that's where you are right now, this video is for you. Often, it's not your accent, it's not your teaching skills, and it's not even how many hours you're available. It's your bio. But honestly, in my experience, students don't usually read your bio first. They look at your photo first. Is it friendly and approachable? Then they might watch your short intro video. Do you sound nice and easy to talk to? Only if those two feel good do they bother reading your bio at all. So today we're going to make sure all three work together: your photo, video, and bio. But the bio is what seals the deal when they're on the fence. Today, I'm going to show you how to write a Cambly bio that actually gets students to stop and click call. Not a perfect bio, not an impressive one, just one that works. Many new tutors write something that seems okay, but that doesn't bring in calls, and that's completely normal when you're starting. The good news is, small changes can make a real difference. I'll show you what students are really looking for, the biggest mistake most people make at first, and a simple way to write a bio that feels warm and easy to connect with. So, let's get started. The main thing I see new tutors doing wrong is making the bio all about themselves. Qualifications, years of experience, certifications, list of skills. But most students aren't reading it that way. They're usually asking themselves one question: will I feel comfortable talking to this person? They're often a little nervous, English isn't their first language, and they want someone who feels approachable and friendly. A bio that sounds too formal or distant usually gets skipped, even if you're a great tutor. Your bio isn't a CV. It's a short introduction that should help a nervous student feel at ease and think, yes, I could chat with her. So let's shift the focus to what actually gets students clicking. So if they're not looking for a CV, what do they want? Three things, and they want them quickly. Number one, who you help. Two, what kind of chats or lessons you offer. And three, what it will feel like to talk to you. Clarity, warmth, and reassurance. And that's really it. Here's a quick example to show what I mean. A common one I see: I'm a native English speaker with over 5 years of experience. I hold certifications and enjoy helping students improve their grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary. There's nothing wrong with it, but it doesn't give the student a warm feeling or a reason to click. Now, compare it to this. Hi, I'm Patty. I help adult learners feel more confident speaking English in a relaxed, friendly way. If you want conversation practice without pressure, I'm happy to help. Same tutor, very different results. The second one tells the student exactly what the chat will feel like: comfortable, easy, no stress. That's what removes the hesitation and gets the call. Here's a simple structure you can use. You don't need to overthink it. Number one, who you help. Is it adults, beginners, people who want casual practice? Then number two, what you help them do. Feel more confident speaking, practice conversation, chat about daily life, etc. And 3, what your lessons feel like. Relaxed, friendly, supportive, no pressure. Put those 3 parts together and you have a bio that's clear, human, and inviting. If you're not getting calls right now, don't take it personally. Your bio just needs a small adjustment, and once it does, things usually start to change. That's it for today. Go and update your bio using that simple structure: who you help, what you help with, how it feels, and save your profile. Try it out and see what happens over the next few days. If this helped, please give it a like, subscribe if you want more Cambly tips, and drop a comment below. What's one thing you're adding or changing in your bio? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.